I have a wonderful family. Number 2. There are 3 members in my family. Number 3. They are my father, mother and me. Number 4. My father is a serviceman. Number 5. My mother is a service woman. Number 6. I love my family very much.